Oh, did they like that? Is that enough for him? No way, Jose. Bear's looking. And of course, we need to take another picture of our little water contraction, which Bear barks at a lot. And on this 6th day of April, she looks so professional. She got some pretty new outfits. Stand up, let me see your outfit. Pretty red. Now don't be flashing me or anything. She's cute. Zoom in on this face. Don't be turning around for a second. Isn't that a glamorous, lovely lady? Could she break your heart in 1,000 different ways? Let's see the puppy. Oh, Bear! Oh, who's that puppy? That's a pretty puppy. Oh!
This in her mouth. What's that?
She's got her mama's shoulder pad. Oh, she looks so cute with her little. I poured some of it out for you. She starts back to me.
She goes to the pine cone. Prissy, what you got? Where'd you get that pine cone? You helping Daddy clean up the yard? Hey, Prissy, where'd you get that pine cone? You been helping Daddy clean up the yard? Huh? Did you help Daddy clean up the yard?
She don't know she likes it. I'm surprised that you figured it off.
Oh, it stinks. Daddy sprayed Clorox on that.
Take that thing away, she'd like to stick on that.
Really?
Just wanted to take a picture here around the house. We know that there's a couple areas that we're going to have to paint. Got a little bit of wood left. Got some cedar poles from next door. I'm going to paint this room one of these days. Go in there and clean those windows up. I'll never understand why they put windows there on that side. Nice and windy. Wonder about cleaning off the chimney. Some kind of backlit thing. I need to do some reading on it. Neighbors, I thought about going over to those neighbors and telling them they could put that limbs and stuff. filming. Oh yeah, I was trying to count these things. I don't think. We're counting the little air vents. We're thinking about putting those automatic times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wanted to get this area. It's just really overtaken off. Check those lights. Right in here. I think I'm going to just do some painting here before that weather gets to this wood. Eight, 9, 10. Should have been that close up doing that section there. Bear's ball. Another month we have a bunch of honeysuckle. Okay, how many we had over here? I think that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What was a bunch of those things? I need to pick up that hose, and I need 11. 12. 13. Need to put a hasp on that door there. 14, 15. tree I was wanting to take down. Oh, there it does. I was wondering if it dropped out of the macro recording area. Macro instead of micro. Only Saturdays I want to rent a tool to come and just grind every one of those tree stumps into the ground. I've fiddled with them